cold won't let you sleep? Now's the time you need something to work hard to help you feel better.
Oh, sure do.
Vicks does that, because Vicks offers soothing relief for stuffy noses, coughs, sniffles, sneezes, sore throats, and colds that won't let you sleep.
I've got them all.
NyQuil helps soothe them all, so you can rest and you'll feel much better.
Mom, I'm home.
With a cold and sore throat, here's some help, dear.
Vicks menthol throat drops. How good.
Vicks dissolves into a soothing anesthetic syrup that calms those humps and makes you feel like someone cares, because someone does. Vicks Soothing Cold Relief.